everybody, Joe Casabona here, and today I want to give you a few thoughts I have on the iPad Pro 11-inch with the Magic Keyboard. So I have the device right here. I am a big fan of it. I'll just tell you right off the bat. I think that it's not too heavy. If I pick it up and close it, there are a few really nice features of it. It's like the same material that the Smart Folio is made out of. I'll switch to this camera here so I can hold it up for you. But there's the Apple logo. And I know that some people were probably curious about what it looks like, what the camera cutout looks like on the 2018. That's what it looks like. I think it's fine, and I don't have to look at it, so that's fine too. If I open it, I can kind of get it open with one hand. Well, I guess this is still two hands. And then if I switch back to this view here, you can see this is as far as it opens, right? A lot of videos have covered that, and then it opens up kind of like this. Let's get there we go. And then you can kind of get multiple angles on it. I have been using it for a couple of days and absolutely loving it. I'm a huge fan. The tap is very satisfying. Using the trackpad and the keyboard is very satisfying, and I am extremely happy with the device. Now, one thing I know a lot of people like to demonstrate, the one-hand takeoff. You can't really do that with the 11-inch because the base is not as heavy as the 12.9-inch, but still, it's like taking it off is still easier than any other keyboard I've used. So these are just a few quick thoughts that I had. I've been using it for a couple of days. It's really nice to type on. I can use it on my lap, which again is not something I've really been able to say about any other keyboard. The Bridge keyboard maybe, but I'm very happy with this device. I've seen like other YouTubers like hold it upside down, which not bad, really good actually. And then, like I said, I could just kind of take it off really easily. So I think this will be my device or my keyboard of choice moving forward. I really like it. And in the future, you can expect some more videos from the iPad, like the one I did with Beaver Builder and using the trackpad with Beaver Builder on iOS. I'll probably do another one for Gutenberg, and there have been a few sites and applications that I haven't been able to use because they require cursor support, mostly websites because apps for the iPad are optimized for touch, obviously. But if you have any questions about the Magic Keyboard, specifically the 11-inch, that's the one that I have, or an app experience or a website experience, leave them in the comments below and I'll get to them and maybe I'll make a video about them. So again, my initial thoughts, I really love the Magic Keyboard. I can see myself taking it around with me when we can go around again. And it's very sturdy. It's not too heavy and it gets the job done. I love it. All right. Thanks. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, get out there and build something.